Hello everyone, today I'm excited to present my project in AI Assistant with calendar integration and text messages follow-ups. This application is designed to simplify daily scheduling and task management through natural language. The implementation includes a RAG system with a semantic search, with a vector implementation for finding similar documents and conversations. For the backend, I used a dual Node.js architecture separating authentication from the main application logic. So I have in my auth backend I have a users table, and in my main backend I have conversation messages, conversations, document embeddings, and user calendar tokens. Okay, I will run all my three servers. The front end is a user interface developed with React and TypeScript. I used Redux Toolkit for state management, Tailwind for CSS, React Router for navigation. User interface for this personal assistant. I will log in into my existing account. This is the dashboard. Here we have our assistant, and my calendar is already connected to my account. I don't have all the CRUD operations, but I have logic for create an event in my calendar. For example, this was created by the assistant, and retrieve to fetch information. We can add rules for the chat. For this chat, for example, I added rules that this AI assistant is an expert in the computer science with 10 years of experience, etc. I can rename this assistant, and an intelligent AI chatbot understands natural language, remembers my conversation and history, and can be customized with specific rules for personalized interactions. For example, we can add a new chat. We can add some rules right now. For example, I have some rules prepared, and we can test the rule. Tell me about your day. And we can see that the prompt is working. Tell me a joke. And also we can test right now my calendar integration. For example, I can say show my schedule for today. I definitely need to do better response. I have to fix that, the formatting, but at least it gives me the correct response. For example, today it found 2 events, test meeting 2, and today, yes, I have 2 meetings. And we can also add, for example, set up a meeting for me at 9 p.m. for tomorrow, for example. Event meeting created successfully. Let's check. Tomorrow we have 2 more meetings. At 9 p.m. meeting is created. Let's ask it about the joke. Okay, the joke about the seafood restaurant. That was correct. Now I want to test with another user. We will test calendar integration. 5, 6, 7, 8. For this user, I haven't connected the calendar yet, so we can test it right now. Connect Google Calendar. The calendar is connected. We can add more chats. We can test SMS integration. For example, I will log in as an admin. Okay, I will copy this code. I have to manually test this. Okay, text message sent successfully. I have to manually test this SMS notifications because the service that I'm using, I have to upgrade the plan to be able to send messages, but the message is sent. but it just says that toll-free number has not been verified. So here is a quick overview of the program. I have some reusable components. I have button, I have input, I have forms,